Good day all. Welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Preppers. So the budget is broadly rejected by most parliament members and parties within the South African government. So I see there's a lot of rigmarole about this now. Look, the speaker did say that they will go back and they will discuss it with inside the different caucuses. So I do understand that a lot of the GNU partners have rejected uh, the budget because of the VAT hike. I also believe that COSATU, which is a partner of the ANC or the Tri-Alliance partners, they also rejected the VAT increase as well. So what is going to happen next is that if they cannot agree upon themselves internally about the budget, then the next step, according to the constitution, and this is not what I'm saying, is that re-elections need to take place. But there's still a long way to go for this to happen. And I don't think the ANC will allow re-elections to actually happen. So, yeah, it is a historic moment in South Africa's history since apartheid fell. Firstly, the budget was cancelled, and now the second budget is rejected. So interesting times in South Africa. So strap in. We'll probably find out in the next couple of days what will actually happen. But again, the speaker did say that everybody needs to go back to the caucuses. Everybody needs to um, talk about the budget. The budget, in effect, has not on paper been rejected yet, although it's been rejected publicly by some of the GNU partners. This is South African Prepper. God bless.